Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robert. I am a professional makeup artist and in today's video I am teaching you how to apply false lashes. I have taught many people, hundreds and hundreds, how to apply false lashes, so I have seen the mistakes that people make. So by using that I have made this video really simple and easy to follow so you guys can apply lashes like a pro. Talking of being a pro, if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe for more videos. I do really in-depth tutorials and I give my professional advice in every single video. No holding back, I tell you everything. Let's get straight into the video. I am using Eyelashes today. These are the most wanted range and this is in You Want It, I think that's the name. I've chosen these because the band is nice and thin. If you're going to apply false lashes, the cheaper lashes with a really thick kind of almost plasticky band, they tend not to work as well. So we're going to go ahead and use these. You will also need some duo glue, mascara and a lash curler. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so let's start by measuring the actual lash itself against our lash line. If it's too big, it's just going to hang off and when we blink, it's kind of going to all crease up. So it's really important if you're going to cut the lash to cut from this end where the lashes are longer, otherwise you kind of lose the shape. I always apply a bit of my glue to the pan or whatever case the lashes come in, and I use the back of a brush to apply this to the lashes. This helps you kind of control how much glue you're putting on and not using too much excess glue. Too much glue can actually be a cause of the lashes not sticking properly. So by controlling this, we can make sure that the glue kind of has time to set and get tacky, so leave it for a little while. So while we are waiting for that glue to get nice and tacky, go ahead and leave in the comments box below what you find most difficult about applying lashes or makeup in general, and I can leave a nice helpful comment to help you out. So also while we're waiting for that glue to get tacky, now is a good time to apply mascara and curl your lashes if you're going to. I'm not going to curl mine because mine are broken. Now, one thing to bear in mind is the position of your head when you're looking into a mirror when you're applying your lashes. A lot of people look down like this and then try to apply them. I got my hand mirror right here and I'm going to hold it below my face, just under my chin, and I'm going to look down into the mirror. That way I can keep my eyes open, I can see my lash line perfectly as well. So chin up and look down into the mirror until you have a good view of your lash line. So grabbing the lash with the glue on, just drop the lash in the middle of your lash line. It doesn't have to stick straight away. Then we will start in the outside corner. I gently tug and just press against the outside and pinch. So you're doing it very slowly with purpose and just the outside corner for now. So we're going to see that the inside corner is hanging off. The best tip is to look down into that corner so you have all that room and it stretches out the inside of the eye. This way you have more room to push that lash on. When we're pushing that lash, almost think you're going under and up. So push under and up, and that way you get a really close stick to the lash line. I then go and gently pinch along the lash line and I kind of shimmy my fingers. This way if there's any room left between your lash and the lash line, you're gently pushing the glue and the false lash rib right up to the lash line. And that's how you get a really close, tight connection with the lash and the actual eyelid. That's it guys, it's that easy. If you have any questions, do leave them below. I'll be more than happy to help. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, more educational content that's going to help you become a pro makeup artist, and turn on notifications as well. I release a video every Sunday, hopefully. Thank you so much again guys, I'll see you soon, bye.